In this video, I'll show you how to fix any paper jam issue you're having with your Canon imageCLASS MF3010 printer. So the first thing we need to do is to actually remove any paper that is stock. This is step number one, and then I'll show you how to fix it so it does not happen again and again. So to do the cleaning, first of all, we need to turn this off and wait about 2 or 3 minutes, because maybe the printer inside is very warm and you don't want to stick your fingers and get burned. After waiting 3 or 3 minutes, you can go. We need to retrieve the paper that is stuck. So remove any paper that is in this tray and take a look under over here to see if this is where the jam occurred. If not, let's open this top lid. Okay. And then let's open the second lid. Okay, it should stay in place. Now inside you're gonna remove the toner. You see there's a handle here and you just need to pull and take it out. Now if we look closely, you may see some paper residue there. Take it out. This is where the paper got stuck. Now that we have cleared this paper jam, what caused it? I mean, in most situations is number one, the paper, when you insert it in the paper tray, could have come crooked. And this is your fault. You should just make sure that it's not crooked, it's straight. The second thing is this thing over here. I don't know if you see it. It's the middle, there's a middle rubber there. And sometimes this can cause many issues if you have printed many pages. You need to remove this roller. You'll need to take a knife, anything very small. And you see over here, I mean, it's hard to see, I know, but there is one of this tab on the left side and one of this tab on the right side. We need to unlock by pushing one of the tab like this on the side and then the other one on the side. You can now take this roller out since it's unlocked. Now we need to clean this part over here. I don't know if you feel it, but it's supposed to be rubber. Over time, there's dust that will come here, debris and other things that will make this less sticky. So the page, so when this comes in contact with the paper, if this is not sticky enough because it has sand or dust stuff, it will simply not be able to pick up the paper properly. It needs to be clean, so when it enters contact with the page, it's able to drag it inside. I know it's maybe hard to explain, but this should be clean, so it's a bit sticky and it's able to grip well on the paper. So what should you do to clean it? Well, this one is pretty clean to start with, but if yours is dusty, I suggest you take just a bit of rubbing alcohol and a Q-tip and gently remove every dust particle that is on it, over here and on the other side as well, but mostly here because this is where it comes in contact with the paper. Once you have cleaned it out, let it dry for at least a few minutes, and it needs to be 100% dry before putting it back. So you're gonna take it, put it in this position with these tabs down and push it back inside until it clicks. I don't know if you hear, but it did click. So now it should be able to pick up the paper quite well since it's clean and a bit sticky. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below if it worked or if you have any other solutions, and I'll see you in the next video.